If you're considering a home upgrade that enhances beauty, comfort, and long-term return on investment, bow windows are an excellent option. In Austin, where natural light and architectural style play a major role in home appeal, bow windows offer a unique way to elevate both the interior and exterior of your property. Beyond their elegant appearance, bow windows can significantly increase your home's value, making them a smart investment for homeowners who want both immediate enjoyment and future resale benefits. Creating a strong first impression curb appeal matters, especially in competitive real estate markets like Austin. Bow windows extend outward in a gentle curve, adding dimension and character to your home's exterior. Unlike flat windows, bow windows create architectural depth that stands out from the street. This distinctive design often makes homes appear more custom-built and upscale. For potential buyers, a home with bow windows immediately feels more polished and thoughtfully designed, which can positively influence perceived value before they even step inside. Expanding interior space and bow windows are made up of 4 or more window panels arranged in a curved configuration. This design not only adds visual interest but also increases interior space. The projection creates a small extension inside the room, which can be used for seating, decor, or additional floor space. Even a subtle increase in square footage can make living rooms and bedrooms feel larger and more inviting. In Austin, where homeowners value bright, open spaces, bow windows bring in abundant natural light from multiple angles. More light makes rooms feel airy and welcoming, a feature buyers consistently prioritize. Enhancing energy efficiency, modern bow windows are available with energy-efficient features such as double or triple pane glass, insulating gas fills, and low-E coatings. In Austin's warm climate, reducing solar heat gain is essential. Energy-efficient bow windows help block excess heat while still allowing natural light to enter. Improved insulation supports lower cooling costs and enhances indoor comfort. Homes with updated, energy-efficient windows are often more appealing to buyers who want long-term savings on utility bills. Increasing market appeal when it comes time to sell, unique features can make your home stand out. Bow windows are considered a premium architectural upgrade, which often translates to higher buyer interest. Buyers are drawn to homes that feel spacious, bright, and distinctive. The combination of added light, visual depth, and elegant design gives your home an advantage in the Austin market. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, knowing your investment contributes to future resale value adds peace of mind. Supporting modern design trends, Austin homeowners often favor open-concept layouts and indoor-outdoor living. Bow windows align perfectly with these design trends. Their panoramic views help connect interior spaces to outdoor scenery, whether overlooking a backyard, garden, or neighborhood landscape. Because bow windows can be customized with various frame materials, finishes, and grid patterns, they adapt easily to both traditional and contemporary homes. A long-term investment in comfort beyond financial value, bow windows improve everyday living. The added light, expanded views, and sense of openness enhance your home's atmosphere. They create inviting spaces for reading, relaxing, or entertaining, making your home feel more enjoyable and comfortable year-round. In Austin, where lifestyle and design go hand in hand, these qualities are highly valued. A smart upgrade for Austin homes. If you're looking for a home improvement that delivers both aesthetic and financial benefits, bow windows are a powerful choice. They enhance curb appeal, increase interior space, improve energy efficiency, and attract future buyers, all while elevating your daily living experience. For Austin homeowners seeking to add value without sacrificing style, bow windows offer a beautiful and rewarding investment.